Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up B2B wholesale feature on your Shopify store by using our app Zon Customer Accounts and return. So let's get started. If you are a Shopify Plus merchant, then you can access this B2B wholesale option, and for that you have to navigate to the catalog option in the product section. You can see I have already created my catalog here, but you can create a new one by clicking on create catalog. Here you have to select the products you want to include in the catalog, and then you have to click continue to proceed. Here you have to enter a title for the catalog, and then you can set the price adjustments as needed. You can see I'm providing the 20% discount. Now moving back to my already created catalog. You can see 33 products are included here and 10% discount is available. Now to apply quantity rules, you have to click on manage and then on manage products and pricing. You can see all the included products. Now you have to click on add under the quantity rules section to set the minimum and maximum quantities for the product. And then you can set the pricing. Now moving back, now you have to navigate to the customers tab, and from here you have to select the companies option. Here you can see I have already created a company. Now you can create a new company by clicking on add company. Here you can set all the details. These details include the company name, company ID, main contact, shipping address, and other necessary information. In the main contact section, you have to select the customer details for whom you want to enable B2B wholesale option. This customer will see the prices set in the catalog. After that, you have to select the catalog you want to assign to the customer, and then you have to simply click on save at the top. Now moving back to my already created company, you can see all the details regarding the company here. Now let's move to the Zon Customer Account profile after configuring the catalog and companies, and make sure the B2B wholesale block is added here. You can see the company name is showing here, locations, total staff, active locations, and all the details are here. And let's suppose this product, you can see the volume discount is available on it. Now if I add the quantity, you can see minimum quantity required is 10. And the discount is available on 20 items, 30 items, and 50 items. I am adding the quantity to 50. And then you can proceed to the further step by clicking on checkout. Now let's complete the order. I'm clicking on confirm order. And after placing the order, let's move to the orders page of Shopify and click on orders. You can see the order is showing here. So this is how you can set up B2B wholesale feature on your Shopify store by using our app Zon Customer Accounts and return. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app, and thank you for watching this video.